Hi and welcome to the Resources Roadhouse. I'm Wally Graham and I'm in Melbourne at the New World Metals Investment Series. I'm catching up with Mark Tomlinson of Larvotto Resources. Now, Mark, a bit of news for Larvotto recently, due mainly to the Chinese, let's call it embargo on antimony, because it's really brought your Hillgrove project back into play. So you've got gold antimony project there. You know more about it than I do, so how would you like to tell me about it?
Sure. Larvotto has been only acquired Hillgrove up near Armidale in New South Wales in December last year. We bought it from the administration of Larvotto Resources, but for us it's leapt the company forward 5, 7, 8 years in terms of development. So we have this processing plant here behind us. We have underground development, granted mining leases. We have just released, only about 3 weeks ago, we released the pre-feasibility study, the PFS, for the restart of production at Hillgrove, which shows it should be a very profitable, very lucrative project for the company. We are now busily into the DFS process. We're probably halfway through that, and we'll have the definitive study out by the end of this year. But the PFS came out, and then 3 days later, the Chinese announced that they were going to restrict the exports of antimony. Most people can't pronounce it. We couldn't a year ago, but we can now, and it's lit a fire under our share price. Our market cap's been up to about $130 million, where it sits $120, $130 million. So it's been fantastic for us. We've had a lot of support out in the market. We've had institutional investors coming on board. We had 1832 Asset Management announce a substantial yesterday. So that's all very positive, and we look forward to working through the restart process. We'll need to spend about $75 million once we make the FID at the end of this year, presumably, and presuming that it will be positive, which it will be. We will be looking to raise around sort of $75 million for the restart of Hillgrove by end of 25, early 26.
All right, so it's looking not too far in the future, which is pretty good. So that Chinese decision and the effect it's had on the antimony market, can you just explain that to us a little bit?
Sure. The Chinese control over half of the antimony market globally. So they have smelters in China that take in ores, their own domestic antimony ores, so take it from Russia and other countries, including Australia, from places like Costerfield, our only Mandalay's Costerfield mine in Victoria, our only domestic Australian antimony producer, and they smelt them and then supply other countries. But also the Chinese, they use the primary use now these days is flame retardant in clothing, but it's the other massive growth in antimony use is in solar panels. It hardens the glass, it clarifies it, it gives a marginal efficiency gain to a solar panel. And if Grok are going to clear 12,500 hectares of or square miles, whatever it is, of northern Australia to send electrons to Singapore, that's a lot of antimony that has to go into that.
Oh, well, there's another new education stream for the market at the moment, antimony. We've gone through lithium, we've gone through all the other parts of the periodic table. Now we're on antimony.
The metalloids.
Yeah, so let's have a look at that one. All right. All right, mate. Well, good luck with everything.
Thanks, Wally.
Stay in touch, and we'll catch up soon.
Good to chat. Thanks for the Roadhouse.